today we are going to see what's inside of this stretchy, squishy dinosaur. We're going to see what is inside of this stretchy, squishy. If you listen, sounds like there's something going on in there. I think there might be sand or something. I'm not quite sure. Comment down below what you think will be inside, and we are going to get this open. It's very stretchy and squishy and fun to play with. And it's supposed to look kind of realistic too. So this is what this little guy looks like, and we are going to cut him open and see what is inside. So let's get started. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want you guys to see this. Let's get closer. So here is what is inside of him. There's little beads in there. Oh! Oh my gosh, they're going everywhere. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna get something to put this in. Okay, so now I've got a little tray underneath him. And that is what all the beads inside look like. So let's dump them out. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's some stuck in there, huh? They're like glued in there. Trying to get all those beads out. I think I got most of them. So yeah, now it's just rubber inside. That's what the inside looks like. And there's still some beads. And there's some glued around his head. That's interesting. But that is what the inside looked like. And let me show you all these beads I got out. So these were all the beads that were inside. I just tipped the container here. Oh no, they're spilling. Oh no. Well, I got beads everywhere, but this is what the beads look like. There are so many of them. They're very tiny. Kind of fun to play with too. But yeah, that was what was inside of the dinosaur. So that was what was inside of that stretchy, squishy dinosaur. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video, and did you expect for that to be inside? And if not, what did you expect to be inside of this dinosaur? Anyways, guys, please be sure to leave a like on this video, comment down below, and subscribe to see more What's Inside videos just like this one. And I will see you all next time for another review. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!